If a truck rig is running with optimal wheel alignment and with the correct tires and air pressure, then fuel costs can be reduced by almost 15%. This was proven in a comprehensive test carried out by Volvo Trucks together with the tire manufacturer Michelin. Fuel accounts for a third of the operating cost of a typical truck rig. That's why Volvo Trucks is constantly looking for different ways to cut fuel consumption.
We want to help our customer to have as low cost as possible. So it is actually maximize every drop in millimeter. If we can accomplish that, then our customer has the lowest cost performance.
Studies show that 2/3 of the truck rigs on European roads have incorrect wheel alignment. Having the wrong type of tires and poor air pressure are also frequent problems.
There's a lot of assumptions when it comes to these three issues. So it's important for us at Volvo to talk about facts, not assumptions. So together with Michelin, one of our partners when it comes to tires, we have decided to look into this more deeply.
At Hallered Proving Ground, Volvo's test circuit in Sweden, a test team have spent 2 weeks test driving trucks with different wheel alignments, tires and air pressures, while measuring the fuel consumption for each different setting. The tests included 2 Volvo FH trucks loaded to 40 tons total weight. One truck had optimally aligned wheels, standard tires and acted as a benchmark. The second truck was set to different settings to allow for a comparison. The test team experimented with different settings on the wheel alignment and various tires with different air pressure. Monitoring equipment measured fuel consumption down to the milliliter. A representative from the independent SP Technical Research Institute of Sweden was in attendance to verify that all measurements and testing were correct and accurate.
Vår roll är ju då att titta på kvalitetssäkringen av testerna och att man utför testerna så som de har beskrivit i sina testmetoder. Och det innebär att vara en del på plats och övervaka och titta på provningen.
The total length of the testing circuit was more than 1,000 kilometers. The final analysis from the large amount of data collected showed that the 2/3 of Europe's truck rigs that have incorrect wheel alignment can reduce their fuel consumption by 2.5%. The tests also showed that a truck rig that also has the wrong type of tires with low air pressure could save nearly 15%, a big saving even for a small haulage firm.
We will use those results in the best positive way at our workshops, more than 1,000 workshops, to really utilize the results and inform our customers that having the right axle alignment, choosing the right tire setup and making sure that the tires has the correct air pressure, he can really lower his costs.